What is going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. We're going to do a quick TA on MATIC. Let me try to talk about the indicators first. So, what I see in the total crypto market cap right now on the day, we are holding where RSI is roughly about neutral. But what I'm really curious to see is us push to the next highs, and we haven't necessarily tested that. We're kind of in a position to potentially move up. I mean, there's room for us to move up. However, we need to see that confirmation and we need to start tagging $1.284 trillion. We haven't necessarily tagged that yet, so I'm kind of leaning more towards that downside. So pay attention to where we're currently at. If we do not move up from here and hold, or if we don't at least hold RSI is neutral and then begin to slowly push up, the likelihood of us hitting this target will become less likely if we don't do that. However, if RSI holds at neutral and doesn't hold at neutral, I think the bear scenario would play out. And the targets I'm watching is 1.05 trillion to 1.03 trillion. On the DXY, to me, the DXY looks like it was kind of getting ready for a reversal and may start beginning pushing up. So back to Matic. If you are bullish based off the indicators that I mentioned, pay attention to the following targets: 101.52, 105.64, 107.35, 108.80. Ultimately, I still think 112 is potentially on the table if we decide to continue to push up. That's why I have that target marked. As for the bearish side, bearish indicators, I may need to move this target. I think the potential for us to go lower is more at play now. At least this would just readjust. I would just readjust this target. Let's just pick any color, I guess. Boom. Okay, I would start considering these targets now. 94. Okay, so if you are bearish from this point, pay attention to the support well, it's a microfib. Pay attention to the microfib at 98.9802. If that falls off the table, next stop is 0.9650. Then it would be 0.9447, 0.9284. Those would be your bearish targets. So that's really all I got for MATIC. Be sure to trade safe, trade smart, and don't forget, we're all in this together. Peace.